how to create an eye comfort shield schedule on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on display. From here, scroll down and then tap on eye comfort shield. At the top here, tap on the toggle button to turn on eye comfort shield. Then we go down and tap on custom. So if you choose adaptive, you'll not be able to create a schedule. So you need to select custom. And from here, tap on set schedule. Now in here, you can choose always on, sunset to sunrise. So I'm just going to allow some permission. Okay, so you can set schedule to sunset to sunrise, or you can select custom. If you select custom, you can set the start time and end time. So tap on the start tab at the top, and from here choose a time. So when to start eye comfort shield, and tap on the end tab, and it will end at 7 a.m. in the morning. So select a time, and then tap on done. And that's it. So we have now created a schedule for the eye comfort shield to turn on and turn off automatically. That's it. After, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.